Akakiiko akavunaanyizibwa ku by'amateeka mu kikolwa ng'olukulu olunaku olwaleero kasinkanya abakungu b'akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda okubeera nga bawa endowooza zaabwe ze balina ku nnongosereza mu mateeka agafuga ebyokulonda ezaaleetebwa ssaabawolereza wa gavumenti. Bano babadde bakulembeddwamu ssentebe w'akakiiko kano omulamuzi Stephen Byabakama era nga okusinziira ku ye obumu ku buwaayiro obuli mu tteeka erifuga okulonda omukulembeze w'eggwanga akkiriziganya nabwo wabula ensonga gy'atakkiriziganya nayo ye nsonga ey'okukkiriza bannamawulire awamu n'abantu ba bulijjo okukozesa kamera mu kifo ekirondebwamu.
To the effect that in the process of voting, no person shall use a camera of any kind or any other recording device inside the polling station. Inside the polling station. The secret, because you see, honorable members, if you allow a camera inside the polling station, you cannot restrict it to one area and say don't go to the booth.
Wabula ababaka baganya okukkiriziganya n'ensonga eno nga bagamba nga ennongoose y'ekikula nga kino bwe kijja okulinnyira eddembe ly'obuntu awamu n'okulemesa obujulizi obuyinza okukozesebwa mu kkooti okukuŋŋaanyizibwa.
To begin disadvantaging candidates. I would rather these matters go to court after the process. How do you want people to pick evidence, including the media, when you keep chasing them away from the polling station? And the people who implement these decisions can be stubborn, the policemen. You're talking about a polling station, they will now tell people to stand a kilometer away from the polling station.
It cannot be by banning cameras in the polling station. This would be terrible. This will promote non-transparency, and actually it will promote irregularities at a polling station, knowing very well you can never have a permanent record.
You'll arrive at the polling station very early and have to queue. So if you're queuing for maybe 5 hours, does that mean you will not have your mobile phone with you? Because
it is being banned.
Exactly. And I mean, these people have voters, but they have lives beyond just casting a ballot. So does that mean you close business entirely for that day because you have to queue in the line? I think it would greatly inconvenience them.
It will be involved. Then, you know, by the time they start voting for you the following day, you find somebody has already garnered 2 million votes purportedly from these other institutions. What will you do in such a case?
Wabula abakungu b'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda basigadde balaga obukulu bw'okulemesa okukozesa kamera mu kifo ekirondebwamu n'ensonga lwaki ensonga eno eteekeddwa okuweebwa ekyanya.
Strongly believes in carrying out transparent processes and electoral exercises. But we are only concerned, we are in the era of drones. Actually, I've forgotten one of the members mentioned. We are in the era of drones. The thing comes hovering over air. I want you to imagine the impact it will have on the peasants. And the majority of our voters are in the rural areas. Something coming, then they would have told them maybe they are going to photograph you to know whom you have voted for. So we are saying, let this booth be kept as private as possible.
We have noticed some individuals who go into the basin, and as soon as they make their choice, they take a photograph and then send it to whoever they are interested in.
Their vote.
It's not right for someone to begin sending his choice because the law provides for secrecy of the ballot.
Akakiiko kakyagenda maaso n'okuŋŋaanya ebirowoozo mu bantu ab'enjawulo ku nnongoosereza ezaaleetebwa mu lukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu. Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.